Hello and welcome to the new video. So this time we have this Nintendo Wii remote controller. So it doesn't have the back, back cover, and it doesn't work. So we can actually try it. Let's put some batteries in. Okay. Yeah, no power coming. So, and also I can show you a little bit closer that how it's looking like. So you can see that this is a little bit bent here, and what else? Probably some corrosion inside, and also it's a little bit filthy here. I don't know what is this. Oh, we need to wash it also. So let's open it up. So there's 4 screws. If it's gonna open. Really? Oh, it's supposed to be like this Y, but it's not. What the hell? Okay, let's switch. Maybe someone has been inside of this. Or is this? This is so tight. So there's supposed to be a second. Is this Nintendo? Is this official Nintendo product? Okay, so I did take a real Nintendo, so it's supposed to have the Nintendo label in here, but this doesn't have anything. So it's just, maybe it's some kind of cheap. I already see some corrosion inside there. And there's some blue one. But yeah, okay, let's open it up and clean it up anyway, so it's not a real Nintendo Wii controller. But how are we gonna open this? This is like so stuck. And there's one screw is behind there, also here. Okay, I'm really interested to see what is inside this. And we can also actually take this off. Somehow. And we can wash this separately. Does this say Nintendo? It's just this Wii. Okay, and the one more screw is behind this thing. Oh. I mean, there is nothing here. Okay. So, is there under this? Oh yeah. So, there's that, and then we need some kind of tool. Okay, open up pretty easily. Okay. Okay, yeah. Let's take these off and wash these. But this is interesting. Yeah, it's okay. It's different kind of those. Let's take this off. What is that? And there's something dropped. Is this like a bug? What are you? I have absolutely no idea. Is it metal? I don't know. Or was this like some kind of... What is that? No idea. Okay, I just broke it. So it might be some kind of insect. Or it was. It's dead now. Huh. We can check in the microscope later. Who are you? Okay, so yeah. There's some corrosion here. And but I don't see any battery areas. Oh, there's something. So what is this? Oh, it's just some dirt. And I don't see any obvious reason. I mean, those are obvious, but I mean, yeah, this is like a cheap Nintendo Wii remote control. It's like totally different than the normal ones. Yeah. But okay, yeah, let's just clean it up. Okay, let's take some IPA, isopropyl alcohol, 99%. Let's soak this in here. I mean, I don't even know what are those blue ones. Oh, I need to put some paper under. Let's also check the battery. Oh, it's just a little bit. It looks better now. It also was that nunchuck connector. What we have this side. Oh, this looks pretty okay. I mean, the speaker looks like that. Yeah, I don't know what has happened here. It is like bent so much. Okay, there's corrosion in here. So let's clean that. It'd be easier if you just get the whole thing out of there. Okay, so all the parts are now washed up, so we can assemble this here. And, but yeah, so this was like some kind of rip-off, because yeah, it's some kind of cheap Nintendo Wii remote. You can also see that can you actually see? Even the numbers doesn't like stay when I just was like with fire and water, so soap and water. Where are my tweezers? Okay. Let's put all these buttons, and then we can just try it. Let's see, does it get any better? Or do we get a power? That's the main goal. Power. Yeah. And then we just put the back cover in. Or we don't. I mean, this actually. Okay. Okay. Apply from there. Okay, finally. It was just a battery spring thing. What is that? Okay. Just going better than expected. Nice. Okay. It's in. Let's put those bad screws in. I mean, yeah, it's supposed to have these Y screws in it, but it has these normal Phillips instead. Okay, that's in. So let's see how it looks inside. It looks clean now. Let's put the batteries in. And the second one. Yeah, we have light now. Nice. So it is a working controller now. But let's now check from the microscope what we found inside. Okay, so this was the friend that I found from this machine. I don't know who are you or what have you been? Some kind of, I don't know, interesting. He's dead now. Alright, hey, do you want your claw back? Take it. Yeah, I don't know. Does someone recognize? You can say in the comments if you know who this is, who this guy is.